After years of waiting, AI technology can finally do this. You can now launch websites that grow themselves on complete autopilot. Websites filled with 100% unique content built for global traffic, in any niche you choose. This is not a concept. This is not theory. This is already happening right now. Let me ask you something. What if you could launch a fully automated news website in minutes, not weeks, not months? A real professional news site with fresh trending articles, engaging 1-minute news videos and content that keeps updating itself, all created by AI. No writing, no coding, no hiring, freelancers, no technical headaches. That is exactly what AiAutoSite does. AiAutoSite is an all-in-one AI-powered platform that lets anyone launch and scale profitable news websites that literally run themselves. You simply choose your niche, pick a design, and hit publish. The AI does everything else. It builds your website from scratch, writes unlimited news articles, finds trending topics automatically, creates professional news videos with realistic AI anchors, optimizes everything for search engines, keeps your site updated 24/7. You can launch up to 10 fully automated news websites in minutes. Each site is hosted for you. Each site is mobile, tablet, and desktop. Ready? Each site is built to attract traffic and generate income. You can choose from high-demand niches like health technology, fashion, travel, digital marketing, kids, education, yoga, and many more. And here is where it gets exciting. AiAutoSite comes with full commercial rights. That means you can sell the sites you create. Offer done for you news websites to clients, sell AI-generated news videos, flip sites for profit, or build long-term passive income assets. This is exactly why marketers, freelancers, and entrepreneurs are already earning 4, 5, and even 6 figures using this model. Before now, creating a professional news site meant hiring writers, paying video editors, dealing with developers, buying hosting, managing SEO tools, and spending months just to launch one site. AiAutoSite eliminates all of that. No monthly fees, no complicated setup, no experience required. It is like having your own newsroom, a content team, a video production crew, and an SEO agency, all working for you around the clock. And it does not stop there. AiAutoSite supports multiple languages, so you can reach audiences all over the world. Not just English-speaking traffic, more reach. More traffic, more monetization opportunities. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can have your first automated news site live the same day. You also get step-by-step training and full support. So you are never left guessing. Now here is the best part. During the special launch, you can get full access to AiAutoSite for a one-time price. No monthly payments, no hidden fees, and you are fully protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it completely, risk-free. If it is not for you, simply request a refund. But if you have been looking for a smarter way to build online income, if you want to tap into a massive evergreen market, if you want AI to do the heavy lifting while you focus on scaling, then this is your moment. Click the link in the description. Get instant access to AiAutoSite. Start launching automated AI-powered news sites today. Do not wait. This opportunity is happening right now. Take action. And let your news sites grow on autopilot.